Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to view SD card files on Android in 2025. With Android devices getting smarter every year, accessing your SD card has become even easier, but let's make sure you're doing it right. Whether you're trying to find your vacation photos or important documents, this guide will get you sorted in no time. First things first, ensure your SD card is properly inserted into your Android device. Most modern Android phones, like those running Android 15 or later, have a dedicated slot for it. If it's not showing up, double-check that it's securely in place and compatible with your phone. Aim for SDHC or SDXC cards for the best results. Now, let's jump into the steps. Start by opening your File Manager app. On most Android devices, this is pre-installed and called Files by Google or My Files on Samsung devices. If you don't see it, you can download a reliable one from the Google Play Store, like the official Files by Google app. Once you're in the File Manager, look for the storage options. You'll typically see Internal Storage and SD card or something similar listed. Tap on the SD card icon or folder. It might be labeled as External Storage or have an SD card symbol. Boom, you're in. From here, you can browse through your folders just like you would on your computer's File Explorer. Navigate to the specific files you want, such as photos in the DCIM folder or videos in Movies. You can open, move, delete, or share files directly from this view. In 2025, many devices now support quick search features, so if you're hunting for a specific file, just use the search bar at the top. If you run into any issues, like the SD card not appearing, try restarting your device or checking if the card needs to be formatted. Go to Settings, Storage greater than SD card, and look for Format options, but remember, formatting will erase everything, so back up first. And there you have it. Viewing SD card files on Android is straightforward and hassle-free. This method works across most brands like Google Pixel, Samsung, and OnePlus. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.